then filmed my 32-gig card, 2.5 hours of filming.
Yeah, he's done about 5.
Yeah.
64 gig ones.
Yeah.
Might get top of it for the next one, do a bit of driving. Alright.
Oh,
Right,
God.
you could get your camera and now some of these. Oh. Another day.
There's no skill in nighttime lightning
No, there
photography,
isn't. It's
is there?
easy.
No.
Just leave it open for
No
10,
challenge.
15 seconds and just get a look great and zoom in on it.
I've got some amazing stuff on the video anyways.
I ain't over yet, we've got shitloads to go through.
How many?
There's a long line stretching all the way back to groundwood.
Is Dallas getting there? No.
Right, it's all west of Dallas. Look at that. Fucking easy. 10-second exposure. Close the shutter. Boom. Easy. And again, another one.
What does your camcorder film in? Do you know how many like frames a second it is?
50, I think.
No. Whoa.
We'll get a close one in a sec, you watch.
Sorry?
We'll get a close one in a sec, you watch.
Yeah.
Can you get a manager somewhere, please?
Get in the car, I think.
Yeah, I'm going to get in a minute. Is Ian in there?
Yeah, he's
God, crazy. Crazy, crazy, crazy.